KeyBar is a clever key organizer. It works like a jackknife for your keys. KeyBar is a solution to wild and disorganized keys that are difficult to manage and make a lot of noise. A KeyBar will stop the noise, kill the clutter, and consolidate your keys. Just load your keys, organize them just as you want them, add a pocket clip or a lanyard. You can even add accessories. KeyBars are available in aluminum, titanium, even carbon fiber, and with a variety of cool designs. Thanks to KeyBar, key rings are a thing of the past. KeyBar. Stop the noise.
Hi, my name is Rick. I'm a former Special Forces operator and have many years of experience in multiple survival situations. In 2013, we brought our idea for concealed handcuff key to Indiegogo. We were able to use that campaign as a springboard to create a growing small business. Now we're coming to you to help bring our next major innovation in urban survival to life.
Introducing the Evade Clip. This ultra slim tool features a stainless steel mini saw, a carbide rod saw, and a 3-piece lockpicking set. The integrated clip in minimal size enables easy attachment and concealment on your clothing, in a pocket, or in a bag. After removal, you can flip out the mini saw to cut rope, cordage, and plastics, or the carbide saw for metals. And the 3-piece lockpick set includes 2 of the most versatile picks in a tensioner.
We're really excited about this product, and we need your help to bring this product into existence. By selecting a perk, you'll be reserving yours for when we ship later this year. Thanks for watching.
All great achievements have one small thing in common: a measure. Because to measure is to understand and to improve. It's the starting point to human ingenuity, a dimension that drives progress. So an act this precious deserves respect. It deserves accuracy. It deserves the same obsession and love that we bestow upon the things that result from it. This is the progress that measuring deserves. This is dimensioning.
Hi, we're Instruments, and we are craftsmen of product. Team here has built some really cool products over the years, but today we're launching something really close to our heart. Natural reaction to modernizing measurement would be to just add technology to a tape or a ruler. But we don't have the same mechanical constraints, and we certainly don't use them in the same way. We can do a heck of a lot better. We built 01 into an elegant writing instrument. 3 to be exact: pen, pencil, and stylus. These are things you likely have in your bag or your purse or pocket. We built it for designers, for architects, for engineers, for craftsmen, makers, and even those simply putting up pictures.
We wanted the 01 to be honest. It's a dimensioning instrument, but also a true writing instrument. So that 01 is balanced and feels natural.
It's an illusion of simplicity. Teams spend months and months sweating hundreds of small parts. Their fit, finish, building tools, fixtures, all to enable an experience that's natural. You just roll over any object and
Bam! You can measure in millimeters, inches, whatever suits you. Log, search, and share results. Person receiving can even live change units on the other end.
You can actually read scale drawings and roll it over complex surfaces and get the length of material.
You can set up a grid or even just get a rough measure without checking your phone. I really love measuring my niece Abby and seeing the way she's growing throughout the months. You can share it directly on Facebook. It's kind of like a door frame measurement, but for the 21st century, isn't it?
We've designed the 01, engineered it, tested it, and set up manufacturing. We're days away from being able to ship, but what's more, we've hidden a few gems inside. You see, 01 is a dynamically evolving instrument. This is where we need your help. Over the next few months, the team here will be creating functionality that will enrich how we think about dimensioning. If you back us now, not only will we ship 01 in pen, pencil, and stylus form, it will give us fuel to keep releasing features that redefine how we capture and use dimensions and bring them right to the devices we've shipped. Back us today, and we'll start shipments December 1st. It's got your name on it.
Hi there, my name is Sean Lu and welcome to my first ever Kickstarter campaign. Today, I'm extremely excited to share my design with you. I've named it Klipal, the ultimate smartphone companion. The idea first came to me after a painful experience with my smartphone. Whilst browsing my phone on the bed, I lost grip of the phone and it fell flat on my face. Following the incident, I searched for a gadget that would provide me with additional handheld support. There are a few products on the market, but I was not too convinced by the typical adhesive sticker solution. Without any luck, I decided to take up the challenge and design one that will suit my requirements. And that's how Klipal was born. My design philosophy is quite simple: universal, quality, and versatile. I strongly believe that this is the perfect formula to create a long-lasting product that will provide the best value for the user. Like most people, I tend to change my phone every couple of years. With a universal design, Klipal will be relevant for many years to come. The use of aluminium material will make sure that Klipal can endure long-term constant use. Above all, I wanted Klipal to be highly versatile and able to perform multiple functions effectively. After numerous challenges and design iterations, I finally have a product that I'm proud of and I can't wait to share it with everyone. Hopefully, you enjoy the idea as much as I have enjoyed creating Klipal. Thank you.
Several years ago, a team of unique tool design engineers set their gaze on the power tool industry and realized that there was a substantial gap in the non-hydraulic cutting tool marketplace. After many years of research, development, design, and testing, a powerful new tool has come of age. Let me introduce to you Quicut. The Quicut KC571 is an exceptional hand tool, capable of slicing through just about any kind of material. It can cut through metal bars, copper, aluminum, cables, wire rope, and so much more. And yet, it is gentle and precise enough to use for cutting something as delicate as a rose stem. Quicut is excellent in the garden for light trimmings, as well as heavier cutting needs in the yard. Quicut is a powerful and versatile tool that is capable of many roles. It is lightweight, only 2.5 pounds, lithium battery powered, and uses absolutely no hydraulics to achieve its amazing shearing potential. The lithium batteries fully charge in under 40 minutes, giving you over 120 full cuts before needing a recharge. The blades are made of superior, high-quality number 45 German carbon steel, which is incredibly durable. And look at all of the tools that Quicut replaces. The Quicut KC571 comes with a 1-year factory warranty, and the charging system is UL approved. After many years of research and development, we have perfected the Quicut KC571. Now we are ready to release this powerful, innovative, new product to the masses. This is where you come in. Our company, Amazing Group Incorporated, is needing your help raising the funds to start the initial production of Quicut. We are asking Kickstarter backers to pledge to our product in order to see it through to its inevitable completion. Quicut is a tool that is incredibly affordable, user-friendly, highly versatile, and extremely useful around the house, office, or any kind of job environment. It's a must-have tool for the professional. Don't miss out on this exciting ground floor opportunity. Pledge through Kickstarter today.
These are regular keys. This is an Orbit key. Friends. In 2014, two friends launched a Kickstarter campaign to bring this product to life. With over 500,000 backers and just shy of $10 million in funding, exceeding their original pledge by 4%, the company so humbly named Orbit Key rose from the shadows. Since then, they've gone on to build a solid reputation within the marketplace, while successfully delivering on their promise to the Kickstarter community to provide a creative solution to our keyring woes with a quality product for all key users. The Orbit Key is soft and harmless to your pockets and electronic devices. No more jangling and chickling, no more legs that are tickling, no cracks in the screen or marks to be seen. Finding your keys is quick and simple with Orbit Key. You can organize and stack your keys in your preferred order to make sure that your entries are as quick as your exits. Over the last couple of years, Orbit Key has flourished into an ever-growing team of passionate individuals whose core focus is you. They've been working tirelessly to provide you with the best alternative to the keychain, some sliced bread. Whether you're feeling a bit thirsty, a bit fat, a bit fancy, a bit fast,
Hey guys, 3 years ago we had an idea, a simple idea. We developed a key holder to solve our own frustration with traditional keychain. We loved the concept, but we didn't know if others would feel the same way too.
So, we introduced it to the crowdfunding community, and to our surprise, we gratefully had 5,000 supporters that believed in our vision to revolutionize the key carrying experience. Soon after we delivered the first release of products, we were thrilled to see our hard work paying off, with such overwhelming positive feedback from our supporters.
And even more wonderful, along with the praise came valuable constructive feedback on how we can make Orbit Key better. We'll listen attentively to you, our original supporters and our customers, and we have taken your feedback on board to help shape the new Orbit Key.
The Orbit Key is now even more comfortable for you to use. The overall thickness of the fasteners has been reduced by 40%, so that it fits perfect in your pocket. The form has been simplified so that the surface is smoother and your thumb sits nicely into the concave dip.
It's also more compatible than ever. The screw diameter is thinner so that it is able to accommodate a larger variety of keys. And the coin slot has also been enlarged to allow thicker coins. The new wave washer, which provides tension for your keys, automatically captures the fastener, making it easier to assemble.
Unlike its aluminium brother, the new Orbit Key is made from stainless steel for improved durability. For the leather version, we're introducing a premium D-ring where the edges have been softened and curved so that it's friendly on the leather bands.
We're also really excited to introduce to you a new lineup of band choices. This time around, we are replacing the old flat leather band with a cushioned leather band, making them stronger and more sophisticated than ever.
The newest addition to our line is the canvas band, which is light and durable and securely stitched to prevent fraying.
Last but not least, we have enhanced our line of accessories. We now have USB 3.0, which runs up to 10 times faster than our previous USB drive. We're also introducing the multi-tool, which allows you to have 7 handy tools in a very compact form.
All of the design development and the grunt work has been done, and we're ready to go into production. Now we just need your help to raise $30,000 so that we can go ahead with the new tooling and production process required to bring it to life.
If you believe in our vision and support what we do, we would be so grateful if you could come and join our ever-growing community and help support this next important stage of our dream.
From the entire team at Orbit Key, We sincerely appreciate the support, and we want you to know how privileged we feel to be a part of this special community. Thank you.